Hello everyone, this is Archana Singh. Welcome to NANC, Nikhil Archana NEET classes. So today let us discuss about hormones. Now in order to know about hormones, we must first know about endocrine system. Now this endocrine system is a control system of ductless gland that secrete chemical messengers called hormones. Now these circulate within the body through the bloodstream to affect distant cells within specific organs. Now as you already know that the ability to maintain homeostasis होता है is the process by which body reacts to changes in order to keep conditions stable inside the body. यानी ये परिवर्तनों के प्रति शारीरिक प्रतिक्रिया की प्रक्रिया जिससे शरीर की अंदरूनी दशाएं स्थिर रहती हैं. So hormones, they have the ability to maintain homeostasis and respond to stimuli due to the hormones secreted within the body. And without hormone, you cannot perform basic essential functions for life, cannot grow properly, cannot maintain temperature and produce offspring. So now let us discuss what are the different types of hormones and the mechanism of hormone action. Now the different types of hormone, the first one is amino acid derivatives. Now these amino acid derived hormones are derived from tryptophan and tyrosine. Now these are neurotransmitters. Now they are derived from epinephrine and norepinephrine. Like for example thyroxine है secreted from thyroid gland, pineal gland से melatonin है. So they are amino acid derivatives. Now the second one is polypeptide and proteins. Now there are more than 100 amino acids such as glycoprotein containing glucose or other carbohydrate groups which come under polypeptide and protein. Then comes steroids. These are the hormones that are lipid synthesized from cholesterol. Steroids, these are characterized by 4 interlocking carbohydrate rings. And then come icosanoids. These are lipids that are synthesized from the fatty chains of phospholipids found in the plasma membrane. Then comes the mechanism of hormone. So how these hormones they act, what is their action? So hormones they circulate in the blood, they diffuse into the interstitial fluid surrounding the cell. यानी सेल के चारों तरफ जो interstitial fluid होता है उसमें ये diffuse करता है. Now जो सेल होते हैं वो स्पेसिफिक रिसेप्टर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द हार्मोन. नाउ दिस एक्शन इज अप्रोप्रिएट for the hormone which enters the cell. Now hormone activate target cells by one or two methods depending upon the chemical nature of hormone. Now there are two types of hormone on the basis of their chemical composition and nature, that is a lipid soluble hormone and water soluble hormone. Now lipid soluble hormones are steroid hormones. They are hormones of thyroid gland. They diffuses through the cell membrane of the target cell. The lipid soluble hormone binds to a receptor protein, in turn activates a DNA segment that turns on specific genes. यानी ये जो DNA सेगमेंट है ये प्रमोटर की तरह एक्ट करता है और वो इनिशिएट करता है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर जीन. नाउ द प्रोटीन्स प्रोड्यूस एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ द जीन एंड सब्सिक्वेंट ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ mRNA एक्ट एज एंजाइम दैट रेगुलेट स्पेसिफिक फिजियोलॉजिकल सेल एक्टिविटी. अब दूसरा केमिकल नेचर है वाटर सॉल्युबल हार्मोन. नाउ ये दीज आर पॉलीपेप्टाइड प्रोटीन एंड मोस्ट एमिनो एसिड हार्मोन्स. ये बाइंड करता है रिसेप्टर प्रोटीन में ऑन द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल. नाउ द रिसेप्टर प्रोटीन इन टर्न स्टिमुलेट्स द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेकेंड मैसेंजर. अब ये सेकेंड मैसेंजर क्या है? दीज आर साइक्लिक AMP, एडिनोसाइन मोनोफॉस्फेट, इज प्रोड्यूस व्हेन द रिसेप्टर प्रोटीन activates another membrane bound proteins called G protein. These G proteins are guanine nucleotide binding protein. They activate adenylate cyclase, the enzyme that catalyzes the production of cAMP from ATP. Now, cyclic AMP triggers an enzyme that generates specific cellular changes. Now, endocrine glands, they release hormones in response to one or more of the following stimuli. ये कैसे रिलीज करते हैं हार्मोन? ये इन रिस्पॉन्स टू हार्मोन्स फ्रॉम अदर एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड, देन केमिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द ब्लड, एंड देन न्यूरल स्टिमुलेशन. So these are the causes by which or is the reason of secretion of hormone by the endocrine glands. Now, most of the hormone production is managed by negative feedback. In this, the hormone feedback is to decrease the production, its own production. Now, which bring things back to normal whenever they become too extreme. Now, the nervous system and certain endocrine tissue monitor various internal conditions of the body. When normal conditions get recovered, the corrective action, the production of hormone is discontinued. Now, for example, the amount of glucose in the blood controls the secretion of insulin and glucagons via negative feedback. So that's it for today. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel. So, victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. So, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Keep trying, keep learning. Thank you very much.